To add LiftKit to an existing Next.js project, first of all, you have to have one, so I'm going to make a new one real quick. Okay, so now we're in a brand new Next.js project, and it doesn't have any LiftKit installed in it at all. To get it installed, open a new terminal and type npm install at chainlift/liftkit save dev. Then initialize LiftKit with npx liftkit init. If asked to add an add script, say yes. I went ahead and started a dev server before the next steps. Once you've completed the installation, you do need to install some of the components or base styles that you need, because remember, initializing LiftKit just adds that components.json file, and it also just adds some scripts to your package.json. So I am going to npm run add button. And after that, I'm going to remember to import the styles into my globals.css, because the LiftKit template already has that. This does not. Lib css index.css. Now, if I go to my main page.tsx, import button, and add the button here, I can go to my template project in the dev environment, and there it is. Simple as that.